Wow, this is really... Does this shirt make me blend in? I should change. What about this shirt? Oh my gosh, I don't know. Maybe I'll just do black. Okay, this is better. Yeah. Just tuck in this shirt and cool. Yeah. Alright, this'll do. It's Nika with Fashionika, and today we are doing a haul with Romwe. If you don't know what Romwe is, they are an online shop. I personally have seen their pieces for a few years now via Instagram. They now sell their pieces through Amazon as well. They were kind enough to send me $150 to shop on their Amazon. This is sponsored, however, your girl will be real when it comes to reviews. I have all of the items that I purchased up and kind of tell you guys if they are true to size and if they actually look like the item, because it's always tough online shopping. Let's get on with this haul. Oh, also, if you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe. Let's be friends. I'm ready to give you guys my review. All right, let's dive into the first item. This is a navy romper. Thought it was gonna be a little bit smaller. This is a size small, but it was huge on me. So if you're interested in this item, I definitely recommend going a size down. After I put this on, I was like, wow, this is huge. But then I threw on this belt and it really did cinch my waist, which was great. I really liked the look after I tied the little belt. I would simply wear this with my gold statement necklaces and then maybe like a simple little sandal and then just call it a day. This is super lightweight, so it's perfect for the summer. Next item I received was this little play suit. I thought it was so cute with these little bows on the side, and I just thought it was a cool crop that I could even style like this with just denim. I really like the idea that I can wear them together or separately, and it's so funny because online, like, it looks like that with that little tie in the middle, and I was like, where did the tie go? And I was like, I mean, I was fine with there not being a tie solely because I really liked it like this already. And then I didn't realize that it was just hiding in the box. So this is like the little tie, and you kind of just tie it and it looks like that. And I still think it's super cute, but personally I actually like it without the little bow because I feel like it's just a smidge more conservative for me. This way I could wear like a strapless bra, but with this I probably wouldn't be able to wear any bra. So yeah, I really liked this one, but I do recommend sizing up because I ordered a size small and this was really tight on me. The next item is super simple. It is just this little ribbed crop, and the model is wearing it with the scoop like so, but personally I would just wear it like with a back in the front. Actually, I like that higher neckline as opposed to a lower neckline. I actually wore this for July 4th with a little white short and it looked super cute. It's really good quality, nice and stretchy, and it's ribbed. I definitely liked this one a lot. Oh boy. Okay, this next one, I think it was because I was really trying to go out of my comfort zone. It's basically this gray overall jumper. Personally, I thought it was so darn cute on the model. She's wearing it with like a white sneaker and a white long sleeve, but I totally forgot the model is like 5'9", and then here I am at 5 feet, and these pants are like hella long on me. So I either have to hem it or just hack off the bottom. Even then, for some reason, the fit just wasn't exactly what I was expecting, but I definitely think if I really tried to style this, I would end up loving it. It's just gonna take a lot of work. I would style it with like a white long sleeve just like the model did. I think I'm gonna wear it more in the fall winter time, so you probably won't see this on me this summer. This next item, I actually really like this one. It's totally not my style, but that's kind of why I grabbed it. Whenever I have the chance to get free clothes, I typically like to go out of my comfort zone and get items that I typically wouldn't like purchase myself. So I grabbed this little blouse. I thought it was so cute on with some denim tucked in. It was adorable. It's a really nice summer outfit, and I really like the little flowers on it and the ruffle detail. It's a really good summer piece, nice and lightweight. I really like the color yellow on my skin tone. But yeah, moving on. This next item, so tragic. It looked so good on the model, but on me, it just did not look that great. It is such a cute little gingham romper. Like, I would totally wear this for the summer, like every day, literally. But the only thing was I'm 5 feet and you need to have long legs for this jumpsuit, because if you don't, like, it kind of just looks funky. The idea of it was so stinking cute with like a red lip. It would have been such a cute little piece. I probably could wear like a belt or something to cinch the waist and then raise the shorts, but that is a lot of work and I don't even know if I would really like that look. But I mean, it was so cute, but just not really for me. Tragic. Next item that I grabbed was this silky pink short. I really like the style of it, however the quality to me is just not there yet. It's just really thin and I feel like if I pull it, it might tear. I don't know. I don't want to be mean, but I mean, it's still so cute. So like, it's totally worth it for, you know, to wear a couple times, but it's not gonna last you a long time. I really liked the color, especially when worn with a neutral color up top. It looks so classic. The fit was great. It was a perfect size small. Yeah. Anyways, moving on. The next item is my favorite. It is, oh my gosh. Okay, so I thought it was a dress because online it looked like a dress, but I mean, I should have read the title. I'm pretty sure it said jumpsuit or playsuit or something. I didn't read the title very clearly. It's a jumpsuit and I love it even more because of that. I've already worn it a bunch of times. So stinking cute. The colors are so good. I've gotten so many compliments on this too. I typically don't wear too much color, but I mean, that's why get something with tons of color if you're trying to go out of your comfort zone. It's a very loose fit. It's not tight at all. It's a perfect length for me being 5 feet. It hit like a culotte, just how culottes are supposed to hit. Really no complaints about this one. The price was awesome for it. Adjustable straps. Need I say more about this item? Really, this is my favorite. Alright, the last item is not even one that I ordered. It just randomly came in my package, so I'm gonna give it to one of you guys. It is this really adorable little overall dress. It has flowers, it's made of corduroy, really soft material. It doesn't say size anywhere, but I'm guessing it's a small medium. I think it would be super cute with a white t-shirt underneath and then style it with a denim jacket as well. Really cute layering piece. And it can be transitioned nicely into the fall because of the corduroy material. So all you have to do is subscribe down below. Just hit that subscribe button, like this video, comment down below a fun fact about yourself and your Instagram handle, and I will be sure to check you guys out. But yeah, those are the rules. I will be picking a winner next week. Alrighty, that wraps up this Romwe haul. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, let's be friends. Hit that like button if you like the hauls, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Hugs and kisses. Mwah!